Hello everyone, Sam here from myfirstmagicweb.com. Just want to show a few little things. First, the gold chart I made yesterday on the 14th. This is the one. Just wanted to show what happened to it. Let me see if I can get this thing out of the way. So this is what happened to this chart, right? Nice and clean. Came down beautifully. Today is, let me just change date, it's 25th, it's 15. Okay, so this is just the beginning, and if I'm right or my analysis is right, then we have a long way to go to the downside if we can go below these levels here. So first we're going to take out this, second this, and then step by step. But in the meantime, what happened is that you have to be ready for, because see, the price always moves because of the fundies. Something happened in the world, right? In economy, in some country's economy, or in the world, some event, like for example, there's an oil shortage right now, and oil is connected to the Canadian dollar. So Canadian dollar is getting the benefit out of it and keep getting stronger and stronger, right? So similarly, technicals are one thing, but we need the support from the fundies. So if they both together make the move. So I was lucky that something happened and then the price started to drop. Usually 90% of the time, a TL like that gives you the reaction, right? Let's see if we have enough legs to continue into the next week. Right, so this is the gold chart. The reason of making this video is that some newcomers, which I have always people signing up, completely new to forex trading and MT4. So a few things that they don't know. So just wanted to make sure, because I don't know where my old video is. So just wanted to go over with these little things here, right? For example, this bar here, you can see it was here first, like this, right? So I wanted to, I'm comfortable with, bringing it to the side here. If you're not, then you keep it on the top here. So this is one, trick that, you can, bring this here on the side, right? And then you can also bring this one, the time frames, and then put them in the bottom here. That's a small, little, simple, basic things. Just wanted to show you a few things here, because they've been asking. So I said, okay, let me make a video. Visual is much better than me typing in the email, right? Horizontal lines, for example, I have. Okay, I don't have it here. So gold, forget about the gold, and let's go take a look at the US dollar index, and then I might have there. Okay, so see this yellow band here, right? This is nothing but, look, see, this is the tool here. And by the way, when you open an MT4, new MT4, you have this bar here, right? So a lot of tools that you see here, usually you're not going to find it here. Where they are, how you can bring them out, they're hidden, and they are in this button here. See the draw Fibonacci retracement, you right click on it and you see this open up. Then you go to customize, and you have this window will open up, and then you have all the different kind of tools here, right? So whatever you want to show up here, you bring them from the right, from the left side to the right side, right? So how? Like for example, I want this Fibonacci fan to show up here. Then I'll do it. That I highlight this and then insert, so it will come here, Fibonacci fan, and will show up here, right? I don't want it. Then highlight this and then remove, and it will gone. It will be gone, right? So that's how you so all the triangle and this and that and the rectangle, you basically you don't have it. So you have to bring it from the left hand side to the right hand side. You see this rectangle? You usually see white, yellow band. That's what it is, right? And then triangle. These marks are the triangles. They were here. I brought them here, so now they are visible here, and I can use them. So how do I use them? To see this is a triangle. You click it, and then you can use that anywhere you mark, right? So this is a triangle, and then rectangle, and then triangle here is like this, 3 point. Okay, you can fill this whole thing like this. Click on this one, and then it's filled, right? and then you go to property, not property. Yeah, probably not property. Man, what's up here? Triangle property, and then click this, and then you have empty space, right? You can, and that's how I move. I make these marks here, right? White horizontal line, they are there, right there. You see this line? I click here, and then the line is there, and whatever the level you want, see this parameter, you type it here, blah, blah, blah number, and that will be exactly at that number, right? For example, I want to draw the line 0696, so I'm going to take this, and I'll put that 2.0696, right? So 2.0696, and you will see that it will come exactly on top of this high. See that? All right, so this is the horizontal line. The TL is this, right? You can draw a TL. It has 3 points, 1, 2, 3, and you can just place here. For example, if I want to make a TL here, so I'm going to take this one and place it at the bottom here, and then take this one and then place it here, and you'll see that the price is coming to the TL. This is the US dollar index, and it may bounce from here, so be ready. Right, so this is the key number here is like, this one here, 95.95. We are 95, little below that, and then little below that is this number here, 95.41, and then 96.09. So we are just below that. 95.91 is right there, right? So if we are going to bounce, we're going to bounce from the TL. So this is how the TL, right? Another tool that we use is equidistance here, make channel, right? For example, if I let me see, I'll make it here. I want to make a channel, right? So this one, and then let me just do it. You see that? Okay, I want to put it here, right? And then this is the parallel line of this, okay? Wherever you take it, this is just a parallel. I'm going to place it here, the top of this one, or maybe at the top of this one, or this one. You see that, how nice the channel is building? This touch, this touch, this touch, and then this and this. This is a channel now. So if you bounce from here, you're going to go up here to hit this channel, upper TL. So that's the equidistance for the channel you can use. And Fibonacci, I'm not going to show it here because it's completely different. So it's a deep topic. You have 3 different ways to use the Fibonacci. And by the way, to write these numbers down and all that, see this A, this text, you just, this box open up, and then you can type blah, 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 and that's it. And then you have choice of font and everything there, right? What else? Distance, equidistance is like that. If you want to see that, if the price move from, let's say, basically this is used for as to measure the time. For example, if it took from here to here, then how much from here to here, equal or more. So let's say this is the high here, this is the high here. So you see that it took the same time from here to here so far, right? And then it's down dropping. So this is just that tool. What else? This one, these bullets, this is how it is. Ellipse, you draw that, and then you can play with that, make it higher, lower, whatever, round, and small, big, right? So these are little tricks. I know this is basic, and some of you probably laughing that what the heck is doing. I'm making this video for some of my newly signed up subscribers. Okay, so they're not familiar with that, and then I'm getting emails. So and at one point I was like that. I didn't know. Trust me, I didn't know that the TL I had like this on my my MT4, right? And then I see that people have the TLs going all the way, and I had to ask them, how do you draw that? And then one of the guys told me from First Factory that, okay, you go there and then you mark this, you make it array, and then it will go all the way. So yeah, I learned, from that part, that from that point on, learned by myself little by little over the year. So you got this horizontal line and this and that. What else? Everything I did here on this, you have, I just showed you. I don't use this. You can use some of these things like arrow, arrow down, arrow up, thumb down, thumb. So I just use the arrow down and arrow up. You know, on my trades, you can see that, this is like arrow down here. And if you want a different, style, it's like this. You see that? You can change the direction of this. Coming down is 34. So like that. Right? So you can play around with these. And what else? And that's about it. And then vertical line is this. See that? And then you can, if it is highlighted, then you can move it here, there. Okay. Yes, that's how it is. What else? I don't think of anything else here for now. These are the time frames. You want to check. Change the time frame. 1 hour, 4 hour daily. You go here. Zoom in, zoom out is this, right? So what else? So basically, that's what it is. And everybody, I'm sure, that knows how to open the chart, right, from here, and small other different things here, right? All right, so this is it for now. I just wanted to show the goal that this is what happened, right? I was expecting that it's gonna drop, and it did very nicely. And let's see what happened next into the next week. And then watch out this one that I just showed you the tier, so it might go up, and it's a 50% chance that it just might drop straight from here. Okay, that's how it is. So sometimes things are like at the we can say at a very, very nice station, right? But sometimes they're making a turn, and then like halfway, it's like the job unfinished, and possible turn is also right there. So what will happen? Time will tell. Right? Let me see this, if I can go down here. And I didn't trade this week at all. I had a couple of trades, but it's not worth showing. But then I stopped because wasn't feeling good at all. And then I did some food. I didn't take care of my food, my diet, and then I have sugar. So even though I'm taking the powder and all that, but you have to take care of the food too. So I was eating a lot of sweets last whole week and no exercise, no walking, running at all, and then I mean, literally a lot of sweets, guava, cheese pastries, and literally the sweets, cakes and all that. So that went up, and I had some problems. So now it's okay. I brought it down. Okay, 2 days not eating anything, just basic. Then it comes down, and then that powder helps me a lot. So I don't take no medicine for sugar though, but I control it by myself. But once in a while, I just misbehave, and that happens. So, but yeah, so once in a while, I needed some rest. So I thought, what the hell, trading to this week. Next week, hopefully, we'll start again. I'm feeling much better. So this is it for now. And yeah, so it says a few basic things, and even if I miss something, and then if still you need some more. Need to know how is this and how is that. Yeah, but Elliott wave, Fibonacci, harmonic patterns, they are a little bit, like more yeah, sophisticated studies, right? So need a separate complete total. But these are, basic functions of MT4. That's what it is, right? It's a lot more, but I just wanted to show few basic things which are right on, on this side here. So this is it for now, and hope to talk to you guys later.